Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Wednesday reading of the Tarot and Angel Oracle decks, and the very beautiful Wednesday morning reveals these three cards. This one is from the Archangel's deck, and the very first card is that of Archangel Zermel, confirming that all is well. Know that everything that is happening right now, the situation that you are in, is all good. Everything is positive. Everything is where we are meant to be. We are rightfully there. It's all as per the divine plan and divine timing. As the card reads, everything is happening exactly as it is supposed to be. With hidden blessings, you will soon understand. So all situations that we are going through at this point in time is a blessing in disguise. Also, this beautiful golden aura, this beautiful golden picture here also reminds us of prosperity, reminds us of the shine of gold, which means abundance coming our way. Archangel Zermiel is also the archangel that we call in terms of the requirements of money, the requirements of materialistic things. So, right here, right now, he is blessing us and telling us, be assured, everything is possible. Everything that's happening in our life is happening for a reason. So, good times are coming, not to worry at all. And as it is, as the cards always say, a story, the tarot deck card is talking about Wheel of Fortune. When positivity doesn't last, and we see the darker side in life, know that even that darkness is meant to teach us something and go away. So it is time for more positivity to come. That is how the circle of life is. That is how the wheel of fortune is. And everything that happens, the change that happens, is the only constant. We are being protected from all four corners by the spirit guide, spirit world, by our masters, by our archangels, by the power animals. And we are sitting right here at the Wheel of Fortune. If you see that there is a dragon here, which also is where the Wheel of Fortune is rotating on his back, and it stands for power, it stands for positivity. As the card says, elevation of money is definite. Overseas travel is 100% happening whenever the international arena opens up, whenever the international travel opens up. Anyone who wants to go abroad for studies, for work, to migrate away, it's all in on the cards, and it is 100% going to happen. It is the time for completion of phases. So everything that we are going through right now is ending something for us, and new beginnings are around the corner. So be very positive. Rest assured that things are happening for our highest good. As it is, they are saying that December is the month of changes, of joy, of lot of happiness and things. As yesterday's card said, that miracles are on the way. So happy, magical miracles are going to happen for each one of us. They are already happening for every one of us. By the time we reach the winter solstice, which is on the 21st of December, major changes and positive changes are coming our way. And see, continuing the story from yesterday again, we had got Emerald Dragon card yesterday, which spoke about green energy, which spoke about healing. And Archangel Raphael, I have spoken of him even yesterday, is right here again saying that he is definitely present in our lives at this point in time to heal us of all wounds that we are going through: emotional, physical, mental, spiritual. Healing is taking place for every one of us around the world. Each one of us has gone through transformation, has evolved, has emerged. And Archangel Raphael is right here, the guard from the Guardian Angel Oracle deck. And Archangel Raphael stands for healing. So let's call upon him and ask him to surround us with his beautiful green, emerald green light of healing, so that all wounds that we are feeling deeply embedded for any reason get healed. Let's invite him into our lives, into our aura, so that each one of us who is feeling any kind of pain, physical, mental, emotional, Archangel Raphael helps us to heal. So it's a beautiful Wednesday. Wednesday stands for the color of green, and Archangel Raphael coming with his green aura, his green light itself is a very positive sign to say that he's right here. Just close your eyes, call upon him, connect with him. Archangels are standing by our sides, helping us to stay positive, helping us to know that positivity is coming our way, abundance is coming our way, happy times are coming our way. So guys, have a beautiful Wednesday. Last but not the least, I will read this Khalil's card of love, his poem. This one is called Love by Khalil Gibran, and it says, one, love one another, but make not a bond of love. Let it rather be a moving sea between the shares of your soul, between the shores of your soul, sorry. So love is a feeling that should be moving. It should not bind anyone. Love is universal. Love is eternal. So let us all stay in love, be in love, and spread the magic of love so that the world becomes a better place for each one of us. See you soon, guys. I wish you a very magical day ahead.